because I can't get in there so they
You don't like the looks of them.
More than that.
I got some quarter turn ones, so they're a little better.
It'll be easier if something happens.
I can get them off.
Trying to pull that machine out.
Yeah, we got the no burst hoses, so at least that's good. At least you got the no burst hoses.
Well, I got it set here because I bought them for mine and then I didn't need them when I pulled mine out. So if those need to be changed, I have a set. Okay?
Nah, these are fine.
All right.
I mean, they look fine and no burst.
I don't want to have trouble. You know me.
We got the sink open over there, right?
Yes. Yeah, that's open.
The sink should be open there.
It's still dripping.
It's still dripping?
Yeah. Gotta find the street. You need a bucket.
Yeah, I might need a bucket. I mean, this is the cellar, but still, you know. You get a bucket down under there. I got one here. I got one. Oh, you got a bucket? All
I
right.
got one here and I got a flatter thing here that I have a flatter. I don't know what fits.
That'll work.
She told me I could put it in from the other side.
Can you reach it from the other side?
Yeah, the bottom. And this goes right through.
Yeah, there can't be much water in there. We got the house off, right?
I think the pipe, the water pipe would have been in there.
Wow.
I could have put a smaller one.
Not easy. My job is kind of easy. To be honest with you. We got the main off, so it shouldn't be a problem. Just going in the bucket. It's going in the bucket. If I can get them off of there, that'll be our next project. If I can get them off. What do you think my chances are?
100%.
Really? 100?
Yeah.
Yeehaw.
So those are what, a half turn, I think?
Was it?
I should go those things a half turn. That's nice.
Half turn, yeah, these are better. Gotta get some more of these. People like them. It's a quarter turn, it's like a ball valve, you know?
Oh yeah, because
It's better than the crank
you got
style.
arthritis.
You got arthritis?
Yeah, I mean, you can play around with arthritis. You don't have to be...
You got ritis?
Yeah, I got arthritis. That's a good word.
Inflammation. That's what inflammation, you know. Any kind of arthritis is inflammation. Your body's attacking itself.
I got it in my back, too. But I'm supposed to have a...
You're probably allergic to some vegetables or something you're eating, you know. You're allergic to something.
I got myself.
If you got arthritis, your body's not liking something you're doing. You love changing shit, don't you? You do?
No, I just don't want it to break on me. You have to call. Especially when it's an emergency.
Love it. Love changing things. Most people are just the opposite. They don't want to spend the money.
Well, you know, you have to spend it to keep it up.
Them are definitely kind of old and crusty.
Not that I want to. You know what I'm saying?
They're crusty and rusty.
Not that I want to change the stuff. The turning stuff, who the hell can turn? I can't turn it.
What is it?
I can't turn these things. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, these you could shut these off. You shouldn't have to with the no burst hoses. I mean.
Yeah, I know. I like to call it preventive.
That's so good. The only problem with these is sometimes these won't slip. You can't get a good grab on them because it's flat.
Oh, okay.
They're not the easiest things to put on there. Last time I put these on, I just about busted my knuckles to hell. Yeah, because they slip. You try to get them tight, the thing will slip on you.
Even if you put a piece of, what do they call that, rubber stuff, just
Ain't too bad, they don't try that.
it's different than the Teflon tape now and the pipe dope.
No, they're still using
Same
Teflon
stuff.
and pipe dope. What's the problem here? There it is.
These here, oh, it's a tuning for years. I don't know these things.
What is it?
Some of the washers or something.
It's always something.
Oh,
Alright, you can shut that faucet off,
okay, see.
right? And then go turn on the main. Just turn it on slowly, or you want me to do it?
I'll do it.
Yeah, just turn it on slowly so you don't, you know, get a big water hammer. You want to put it on slow, let it fill, and then open it, you know? You don't want a big rush of water going in there. You want to do it slowly. Yeah, just open it slowly. I mean, you don't have to be too anal about it. There you go.
I guess I can do that right.
What's good about these is you could just go back here and open them up, quarter turn, they're done, you know.
Yeah, because I can't get in there.
That's better.
And the rest is connected okay into the washing machine?
Yep, that's still
All right,
fine,
just
yeah.
gotta check the rest right there.
Just gotta grab that bucket out of there.
You got it?
I got it. Save a little time, huh? A little water. That's good there. I did put a little fiberglass epoxy patch on that cast iron. It was dripping a little bit. We put a little patch. You just got to paint it black. After next time I come, I maybe cut it out and put a dandy in there. But that's fine. That'll outlast the pipe, that epoxy. Well, I'm no issue with that. Paint it black and it'll be good.